Cordial greeting to all. Presentation reading sentences. Okay, over 400 people visited our library last month. Staff of the Sports Center are not available between 3 and 4 p.m. Candidates should select one question only from each topic area. All new students have to be registered with Mr. Clark by the end on Friday. Provided that all equipment has been collected and stored, students may leave the classroom. What kind of company does the majority of its students work in after finishing their degree? Despite some initial misuse, the new laboratory has proven efforts to be an excellent facility. Environmentalists is great that the continued use of private vehicles will result in worsening and pollution. Thank you, teacher.